Hey everyone, John Cruz here to talk to you about this 1958 Jaguar XK150 coupe. Most of you who are familiar with these early Jags know that the 150 is the roomiest, most spacious, and for most of us, therefore, the most enjoyable to drive and use. This particular example has had very nice and lovely restoration work, quintessential green, tan colors, love the wire wheels, just has the right look and feel, and it's just a really good car. And it has undergone some great restoration work by a noted shop, and it's ready to use. And so that's what we like to offer here, are great cars that you can actually use. So reach out, connect. We'd love to have you here on site to do personal inspection, or if you'd like to get additional information, photos or videos, just let us know. We'd love to help you as you explore this great Jag.